Hello, Xsense. Introducing our latest XP02S-MR voice alarm. Because in the dead of the night, if an accident occurs in your home, putting your safety at risk, you don't have to fear. The XP02S-MR alarm is here.
Warning, smoke detected in kids' room. Evacuate.
Children quickly understand what to do thanks to the voice feature and can escape quickly. All other interconnected alarms in the home are activated when the alarm is triggered. Then, a push alert is sent to your mobile phone. After confirming safety, tap the button to silence alarms.
Smoke alarm silenced.
At night, you can set night mode to turn the LED light off, so the light won't bother you. More details you can get to know. This isn't any old smoke alarm. It's smart. Test the device conveniently from your smartphone. Rest assured, you'll receive prompt reminders to replace the battery and, if needed, the device. Your family is protected 24/7 with the XP02S-MR smoke alarm.